Hey, hello everyone. We are going to talk about and study Microsoft Excel. We all know Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software, and it is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and it is widely used in various industries and sectors, including business, finance, education, and data analysis. So it is all the very much important that we master Microsoft Excel right from the beginning, and it is an important course in your BBA, BCA, even PGDM-MBA program. So that's the reason that at izacademy.in we want all our students of Dr. Zakir Hussain Institute and Indian Institute of Business Management to learn and master Microsoft Excel. You know, we should have an aim, a goal that we can create such files, such workbooks, which will have all these data represented not only beautifully, but the data is also represented in a way that it can easily share information, rather knowledge and wisdom. That is the DIKW: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, right? So how we can use Microsoft Excel to prepare such documents, to show such huge amount of data sets and perform complex calculations efficiently. How you can create and manage databases, sort and filter data, and generate reports using Excel built-in tools and functionality. In fact, with help of Excel, you can even automate and customize through macros and Visual Basic for applications, thus allowing you to streamline repetitive tasks and create personalized solutions. And we all want to become unique. We all want to become job ready, isn't it? So why not master such an important tool which is used across the industry? So let's go through each tutorials and practice it also. Practice it also. Visit your computer lab. If you are free, visit your computer lab at IIBM or Dr. Zakir Hussain Institute and start going through the hands-on practical session as well, right? So wishing you all the best and see you in the next class. Thank you.